Hey everyone, so welcome back. I welcome you all to my trading channel, Doctor and Forex Trader. So, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, we are here live for another live session. So, as you know, we are trading NAS 100 in the live markets, and I am trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenges, right? I hope you know this much. So as usual, we will be starting from the recap, what we did yesterday and what we discussed yesterday. Without wasting much time, let's start. In between, we'll keep on talking. So this was yesterday's idea which we were thinking to trade, but at the last moment I thought of not taking any trade, and as I told in the live session also that we are not going to take any entry. Nothing much about this. So let's clear the previous drawings and let's start the day fresh. So as usual, you know how I start interpreting the market. So first we'll start with focusing on 1 day time frame. All right, and we'll just briefly look that what is our bias. As usual, today also we can see market is in uptrend in the daily time frame. Those who are beginners, let me tell you that this one candle in the daily time frame means a whole day, how the price moved in complete 1 day. So you can see that market is going upside. It means that market is in uptrend on daily time frame from past few days. All right. Now let's shift to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what does it says up to us. It's also in uptrend. You can see it's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is again an higher high and maybe a higher low also. Okay, so it's the interpretation on the 4 hour time frame. Now let's check it on the 1 hour time frame. So currently our bias is bullish. In 1 hour time frame you can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and a low, maybe a higher low or maybe a lower low. We can't say anything. All right. So this is the interpretation on 1 hour time frame. It's also almost bullish. All right. Now our time frame is of 15 minutes, and as usual, you know, I'll be checking first the bias, then I'll mark some important levels on 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So what does market says? In 15 minutes I can see that it is not clear what is the current, you know, emotion regarding the market. As you can see here, it made a higher high from previous, a higher low also, but now if we consider this at as a high, I think it's a lower high. So it may be a short term downside move, right? So we can't say clearly in the 15 minutes time frame. All right, let's mark one or two important major levels on 15 minutes time frame, right? So what I can see is this level, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point. This is a good level, this level. Okay, and one more level I'll look to mark is this. Here market is respecting this level. Okay, now let's shift to our trading time frame, that is 5 minutes. a few minor level I will love to mark. I can think this, this, here also, here again, here. So it is a good level. What I can see, this one, right? This is a minor level. For minor level, you have to be careful. We don't take much entry on the minor levels, but you have to be careful regarding your targets and stop loss. Now, if you believe on price action, what we can see is a kind of head and shoulder structure here. See, this is shoulder, this is head, this is again shoulder, and it broke down, and it's a retest, and it's again giving an entry for a downside move, right? So it may be a sell side move, because what I can see is a proper breakout of the head and shoulder pattern by this candle. Then it consolidated and given a proper retest, and again it broke down, and it's again forming a bearish pin bar, which is a good, you know, bearish side candle. So I think let's make the trade idea for the day. If market comes from here and gives a nice bearish candle, then I am interested in a bearish move. Okay, clear? But if it's a double bottom, you can see that clearly. It's a double bottom, and this is the neckline which I have made for the double bottom, and it's a breakout of a double bottom, this candle. So if it goes like this, and then retest this point, then I can look for a target for this particular point. Okay, so this is the trade idea for today. Simple two trades. This I will be keeping the target. So the simple two ideas have been shared. If a bearish candle is formed, then a bearish trade, and if a proper retest takes place, then I am interested in the bullish trade. All right. So now, as usual, what we will do, we will wait, and we will test our patience. Till then, I'll show you the progress of the account. Where we left yesterday, it's exactly at the same point. So till now we have traded two trades, 143 and $139 profit, and we have achieved 2.8 out of 7.5%. So this is our progress of the chart and progress of our account. Now let's discuss few trades which I told on Instagram, and I shared the analysis there. So yesterday night I shared an analysis for new NZD USD in 15 minutes time frame. You can see how beautifully it is reacting to the levels. See, it broke it, retested, and touched the target 1. After that it broke, again retest, touched the target 2. Here it is, taking a resistance from this, but I hope it will soon again go upside and touch our target 3 also, because market never moves like this. It's always a upside move, then a little retracement. Upside move, then a little retracement. So let's see how does it behaves. If you want such more analysis, keep following my Instagram handle. I will be regularly updating analysis there. All right. Then another analysis, I think, yeah, this was the analysis only. I'll try to make another analysis for today also. Let's see. So now let's come back to our NAS 100. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me. I'll be very happy to answer them. And if you like my analysis and you are gaining some knowledge, please hit the like button. I'll be coming regularly live to help you all in your trading. Let's see what opportunities today we get. So yesterday I asked a question that I made a candle and asked you what is that. So that was the pin bar. The name of that candle is pin bar and it indicates a very high buying pressure. That means the buyers are very strong. It indicates that. Don't think that we will be getting everyday trades. If we will take everyday entries without full confidence, we'll blow up the account. So I don't want that. So I'll be having pure patience. You know, when I will be 100% sure, then only I'll be taking entries, otherwise, not. Because I don't want to risk others' money for for any bad trade. I'll give my 100% to make the best trade. Still, if it hits the stop loss, then I'll accept it. You have some rules. It's simple. If you have some rules and you follow them, and after following your rules you hit stop loss, you should not worry. You should be happy that you followed your rules. Result is never in your hand. It's very clear. Your work is to just do the work with complete dedication. After that, whatever the result, accept that. Today it was a very hectic day for me. There were three operations in the hospital. It was a very tiring day. People ask me how do you manage to do trading and that medicine simultaneously. There's one answer to that only, that if you have dedication, there's nothing like tiring or anything. You just need 6 to 7 hours of proper rest in a day. 6 to 7 hours of sleep is enough. After that, you can work like a machine. Nothing will happen. It's just in the mind. If you keep your mind fully dedicated, then you will work, with full potential, and you will not feel tiredness or anything like that. You will be always full of energy and ready to do the work which is given to you. It is coming for a retest. Let's see. One more idea is coming in my mind. Let's see. This can also be a trade. This is also a kind of level. Yeah, this. If this red candle is an engulfing candle, right? We can also take a trade then for downside with this target. It's a little higher level thing. Still, I'll try to explain you. You can see this is a proper head and shoulder, which is a great bearish pattern, right? What has happened is it broke, came for retest, and now it might be possible that it is taking the stop losses of persons whose stop losses were there. Okay, and now it is going becoming ready to go downside. So if this candle closes below this previous green, I can take entry for sell side, and I think it's going to come. Let's make a stop loss of 8 points. I can take zero point 0.5 lots entry. Let's see. Yeah, I am taking an entry. Anyone else interested can take an entry. And I am taking it with zero point 0.4 lots. So it's not enough. Let's decrease the value. So I have placed an order. See, my order is placed, right? Let's see on the chart what's the situation. Yeah, so this is the entry. Okay, and this will be the stop target, and this will be the stop loss. It's almost 1 is to 1.6. It's almost a 10-point stop loss, so almost our $40 to $50 risk, right? So I'll be placing my stop loss at this point, 16027. 16027, right? And my target will be this point, 16,000. Okay, let's modify it. Now we have our top target placed, stop loss placed, and our entry price placed. You can see it's almost 1 is to 2 kind of trade. And now let's move to the chart. We don't have to see the profit and loss running. Just relax. We are Our analysis is complete for the day. Now leave it to the market how it behaves. If it gives us stop loss, we will accept it happily. And if it gives us target, then also we'll accept it happily. No anxiety, nothing, anything like that. Just calm mind. It's 16029 here, so I can change the stop loss little bit higher. Let me see. Yeah, it can make it 16028 or 9. Let's make it 16028.5. Okay. Now it's just our patience and the market. Nothing in between. No panicking, nothing like that. We are having our proper risk management. Now just wait for the market to react. Hey everyone, so we are live on YouTube currently, and this is our today's trade. Let's see how it behaves. I'm showing everything properly live on YouTube. You can join from the link. I will show you the progress in the trading account also. See, you can see the running profits. Stop loss is placed, target is placed, analysis is properly described. and this is our trade idea. This is the progress of our funded challenge which is going on, and I am trading daily live on YouTube. You can join. Channel link is available in the bio. We'll try our best to clear this challenge and get some payouts. Like this, we trade daily live. You can join us at around 7 to 7:05 p.m. approx Indian Standard Time. So it's okay now. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the live. That was just a short session I updated on Instagram. A live short session. Let's see if we will have 3 in 3 wins or we'll hit a stop loss today. No one can predict. Time will tell. My rule is that I prefer trades of 1 is to 1.5 or more than that. Rest than that, risk reward is not a good trade and you should not take it. Above 1 is to 1.5 and 1 is to 2 is a good one. Okay. And still it depends on your accuracy of your strategy. If your strategy is 80% accurate, then 1 is to 1 is also very good. If you will be trading like 10 trades you take, suppose, let's see, let's teach you a little about risk reward today. Suppose suppose you take 10 trades, okay, and your win rate is 80%, okay. So out of 10, that means 8 hits target, 2 hit stop loss, okay. Suppose your risk reward is 1 is to 1. That means if you risk 1% per trade, so on winning 8 trades, how much you will gain? 8%, right? You will gain 8%, and on losing 2 trades, how much you will lose? 2%, right? So net it becomes 6%, okay. So if you have a 1 is to 1 risk reward and your win rate is 80%, you can gain 6% in 10 trades if you risk 1% per trade. And if you increase your risk percent per trade, your profits will increase. This is the risk reward ratio, the proper risk management. It changes on changing the things, like suppose your win rate is 60%, that means out of 10, 6 hits target, that means 4 hits stop loss, but your risk reward is 1 is to 2, okay. And now you risk 1% per trade, so your profit is, in one trade you earn 2% and 6 you are hitting target, that means 2 into 6, 12%. 12% is your profit. And now you lose 4 trades, and in one trade you are losing 1%, so total you are losing 4%. So net it becomes 8%, okay. This is how risk reward management works. Let's take one more example. Suppose your win rate is 50%. So now 5 hits target, 5 hits stop loss, and your risk reward is 1 is to 2 only. So your gain will be 5 trades in profit, and in one trade you are gaining 2%. So total you will be gaining 10%, and your risk will be 5%. That means net gain is 5%, right? This is how you calculate your risk reward and your win size and your profits and everything. Okay, so it's sufficient for today. Let's see our profits. So we are, it's almost $5-6 profits currently. Keep on coming live with me daily. I'll be keeping on teaching you daily different topics in trading that will help you in future for sure. If you want to ask any topic, you want to understand something, you can ask me. I'll surely teach it here only. Don't feel shy. I am here to help you. You can ask me anything regarding trading or your health or any life management thing. You'll surely get a good answer from me. So we are currently in 19 or $20 profit. But remember one thing, till the profit is booked, it is never yours, right? It is possible that it may take support from here and go again upside and hit a stop loss. Everything is possible. So, till your target is hit, nothing is guaranteed. Once you have taken a trade, you should have full confidence in that, right? And you should not overthink that my analysis is wrong or right or anything like that. Once you have taken it, you should, be in full support of that. If it's stop loss, accept that and move forward. Market is not going anywhere, it's staying here for always. So it's not just about one trade, it's about in long term how you behave when you are sitting on the screen. In my earlier days, I used to trade with mobile, but now I have stopped because it gives you a bad habit. You try to take positions, you keep on seeing the positions from everywhere, you are stick to the screen. If you're not having, the freedom what trading offers, then what's the use of trading? I don't think there's any use or any point. If you are going outside or anywhere to hang out with friends or anything like that, and you are just in one hand keeping your mobile, seeing your position running again, that's no point in that. If your position is open, just place your stop loss and target and leave it. Your strategy, your mindset should be so clear. Like the day before yesterday, I had to go to a party. So it was very clear for me that I had placed my stop loss and target, and now whatever happens, I'll accept that. And when anything will hit, then I'll see that I'll place an alert and just see on that time. I'll not keep on seeing the screen again and again. There's no point in that. So you should, learn these things and imbibe these things in your behavior. These will help you in growing as a trader very much. And these things you can know from an experienced person only who have done the mistakes himself or herself. He or she can give you first hand knowledge that what you should not do and what you should do. And I am trading live from past 3 4 days. You can see, you can listen to me. But my mindset is very clear. I don't take trades when I'm not confident. Yesterday I was not confident, I didn't take it. It's not that I'm knowing the results are from previously or not. It's just the mindset. If you have full confidence, go for it, otherwise, not. So, I'll keep on sharing these kind of insights, and I hope these will help you in growing as a trader for sure. It is reacting to this level, you can see. That means it's also a good level all. But now we have taken the trade, we have to sit and see. It may take support from here and shoot upward, or it may break and give our target. Anything is possible. So we have a $25 running profit, and our account size stands at 10305. You can see here. Okay. And our target is, I think, 10750. So maybe today we may reach half a size of our target. Let's see. Nothing can be said before. By doing live trading, I wanted to win your trust. My all the viewers which are in touch from past 2 to 3 months with me, they should know that the person who is behind the curtains is himself someone who you can look up to. I'm not any fraudster or any kind of scammer. who has came here to scam you, because I am doing completely live trading with ultra low latency, and results will speak for itself. You can lose, even if you do your best, still you can lose. But what matters is you did your best. After that, as I told earlier also, result is never in your hands. Very soon I will teaching very new things also, like pyramiding. I'll do live pyramiding, and that's the ultimate concept of trading. If anyone can learn that, he or she can master the art of trading and make any amount of money which he or she wants. It's just the main game behind trading, pyramiding. Read about it, you will find it interesting. So we'll be live till 8:30 p.m. After that, if anything will happen, I'll be updating in tomorrow's live section. If until 8:30 we hit the target or stop loss, then it's good. Just wait for a second, there's a call coming. Yes, we are back. There's some issue in my webcam. Let me check it. So it formed a high wick. I think it's again trying to hit the stop loss and liquidation. Let's hope for the best and see if our target gets hit. If it not hits, then also we are happy. And if it hits, it's a good thing. There's some issue in my camera. It's okay, my screen is visible. Main thing matters is screen. Let's see what's in our trade going on. So it's $3 4 profit. At this level, you know what, market is reacting very well. It's trying to manipulate, like it's trying to hunt the stop losses. Here it hunts the stop loss for the buyers who bought for the double bottom. Here it's, you know, hunts the stop loss for the sellers. So it's very manipulating right now. Very high wicks and very large candles. So nothing can't be said very clearly what will happen and what on what side the coin will toss. Today is very high manipulation day. If you have taken an entry, keep your stop losses placed. It's the savior. It's the only savior, I should say. See, you can see how high wicks the market is forming. It will keep on manipulating and then it will very sharply move to one side. On whichever side it has to move, then it will be a very sharp move, eliminating everyone. Yes, you can do it. Yes. Come on, go to the bloodbath. Yes, come on, you can do it. Gravity is pulling our candle because Dr. D has made the analysis. That was a joke. See, it's again reacting to this level. It's just height of manipulation. So it's $25 profit. Not bad. Yes, go down, baby. Hit the target. We are waiting for you. There's a very high manipulation going on today. Liquidation sweep again and again, again and again. 1 is to 1 we have achieved. We are waiting for 1 is to 1.5. Market is very strongly respecting this level. Let's see what happens. So yeah, it's again respecting this level. We can't predict clearly what will happen. So now I think I should close the stream and the trade will be running with proper target and stop loss set, and I'll be updating it tomorrow or in the Telegram group after the closing of trade, whatever happens. So it's okay now. Bye bye. Take care. See you again tomorrow with another live session.